In this video, we are going to learn about mechanical mate, cam mate. So here we bring this three parts. This is my base part. On that we have to assemble these components. This we have a cam and this is a follower. The base plate will be remain fixed. So we bring it first. So by default it is fixed. Here it's showing F in the name. You can see it is fixed. It cannot move. But these are on float condition. These can be moved. That we bring it after the base plate. Or we can bring it anyone first. We can change the conditions. Now we're going to apply the mates between them. We'll go to mate tool. We'll select the circular face and the circular face will make concentric. Do OK. We'll select this face and this cylindrical face and make it coincide. So here it can rotate easily. Now I need to place a follower upon that. So we're going to arrange it properly. So I'll take advanced mate and that I'll choose width mate. We'll select the two faces of this cam and in second width we'll select the two faces of this follower. So that will be exactly come center to the cam part. Now let's do OK. Now we'll move and arrange it. So we'll go to mechanical mate. Now here we'll take cam mate. We'll select the cam path and follower. So both will be assembled. Do OK. Now we need to restrict the degree of freedom of for this part. So it cannot move side. It can only move up and down. So I have to restrict the degree of freedom. So for that condition, we'll turn on all the planes from here. So we'll just assemble the vertical plane of this and the base plate. We'll make it coincide. Go to mate. We'll select the right plane here and we'll select this back plane here. So that will be restrict the degree of freedom of this part. Now this part do not move right and left. It only move up and down direction. Let's turn off all the planes from here. Now we can close this. So manually we can see by rotating it is showing that cam and follower arrangement. We can also use motion study. From here we can pick a motor and we can apply this motor to this cam part. You can define the RPM value and do OK. And we can play the animation. So this is how the cam and follower arrangements work. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and thank you for watching this video.